This is our Walkhampton range of wooden cabinet knobs. This is a new range for us this year, and we are offering it in 3 different wood types, being maple, walnut and oak, and we're offering it in 4 different sizes, being the 60mm, the 48mm, the 40mm and the 30mm. As you can see, this design has been especially made to try and highlight all the beautiful looking grain in the wood. The profile of the knob is a very modern looking profile, and all the details are on the internet of the sizes. These wooden knobs are offered in a satin lacquered finish. They come with a threaded insert in the bottom of the knob which accepts the 30mm screw, which we send out with every knob, which is ideal for kitchen cupboards, kitchen cabinets and whatever. These are handmade here on Dartmoor in Devon, and as I said, this is our Walkhampton wooden cabinet knobs.